Morning YouTube. So I'm doing some more student living today. These carpets just need a cleaning. So this is 4 areas and a hallway. This is not in bad condition. I think these carpets are maybe 3 or 4 years old. We do a lot of places around here. All this in this area is all set up for students for the University of Vermont. And every year I get called to do quite a few of these. They're owned by different landlords, and some landlords they don't force the tenants to clean the carpets, and other landlords do. So let's get started in this room first. Let's get started with a good vacuuming. And there we go, that looks pretty gross. Oh dear. Okay, I know it sounds gross, but the vomit literally dried up and I could just vacuum it out. And luckily enough, it doesn't really stain the carpet. So this room's done. Really not much to say. The vomit came out completely. Didn't have to touch it, didn't have to get on my hands and knees. That's the goal. On to the next room. Okay, so this is another room done, or an area. It looks really nice and clean now. So I'm going to proceed and finish up the rest of the job, and we'll show you the end results. Okay, we're finished. Everything came out really nice. As far as student living goes, this is the better side of it. I go to some places and yeah, it's just pretty disgusting how students have to live. And it's the landlord's fault because they just don't care. Some of them just do not care. So this job was 4 areas and a hallway. And it took an hour and 45 minutes. As you can see, there's little cigarette burns and little things going on, but that's pretty typical. And I hate this kind of carpet. It's three-dimensional, so it's difficult to clean, and it's so aggressive, it rips your pads. So, but it's very clean now. Alright, we'll see you in the next one. Please like and subscribe. So, for those that like to see the pad, this is a clean one. This is the one from that job. Obviously, see a big difference. Oh yeah, you see, even starts wicking into the edges. Look at that. That was an empty canister. All that is dry soil. See you in the next one.